look at all these beautiful shells. Oh, I found a feather. I found some kind of, I think it's seaweed. I want to find the conch. We got some pelicans. There's them over there. Where's Crab? Oh, he's right here. He's in the sand. He's hiding. I found the crab. Me and Daddy found the crab. Oh! The pinch hurts. See this? Watch.
Oh! See, I told you he'd go underneath that sand if you let him go. So if you hold it from the behind, they won't hit you.
Oh, wow.
Because I know lobsters. They.
Castles didn't go as quick as I expected it to.
Things up here.
There's really neat shells all around. I found a googly eye trash. They're over there, I don't know if you can see it. Now, the beach is over there. So, our van's right there. Eating some Cheetos.
Hotel on the tour.
Yep. AC unit, window, one bed, via watching TV, an alligator show.
I watched wrestling last night.
Here is our.
And and today we're going to gift shop again.
We are.
Yeah.
Watch.
Ow, ow.
Pretty nice. The second bed. We got all this. And there's me. Hello. All this. Just don't mind the hair stuff. Bathroom. Well.
And tomorrow we gotta leave.
Yep, tomorrow's we're gonna leave. It's our last night here. Sophia just made me coffee. Yep. Wait, what hotel did you make me other coffee at? Was it the last hotel or just this hotel?
Just this hotel.
Oh, so this is the second time, so.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not bad, but I'd rather put creamer in it than sugar.
It is creamer and sugar.
But it tastes so different.
I know.
So yeah, it's a little coffee maker. It's good to have a coffee maker in the hotel.
And it does really, really fast.
Yeah.
Like a few minutes. Like 1 minute.
Yeah. So we got our beds made, so yeah. And they also give you fresh new towels, so.